Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upgrade on Bluehost. So the first thing this we'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type bluehost.com and hit the enter button, which will actually take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Bluehost website. Of course, if you want to log in into your account and if you already have it, simply click as login button at the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at get started or simply because this choice will get you to choose a plan and it's going to be a bit expensive because you will have to commit with them for 1 year. You can simply just go and buy your own domain by clicking at this domains option right here. And of course, it will take you to the page that will give you the opportunity to buy your domain from. And from there, you can start and create your account with that way also. So for me, I'm just going to click at login, which will log in into my account directly because I already logged in into my account in this PC. And this is going to be my screen once I logged in into my account. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to upgrade on Bluehost. And of course, if you want to do that, once you are at this homepage, you can simply go. So click on Marketplace here on the left panel, then click on Promotions. Of course, if you want to upgrade anything like specifically, just go and choose it from here. Let's say, for example, you would like to upgrade security, you can click here. If you want to like upgrade the hosting, you can click here. Of course, you have here a lot of place or a lot of things to choose from. Of course, here, as you can see, you will have here just the promotions. Let's say, for example, I would like to add some speeds and security to my website. So simply, I can click here on Go Faster. And as you can see, that starts at $3.25 per month, which is an annual plan. So you'll have to pay for the whole year so to start using it. And simply from this marketplace, you can like upgrade on Bluehost. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.